Emotions. They can be loud, or they can be quiet. They can be large, or they can be small. They can take us to a place of laughter or eruption, and even cause us to break down weeping. Emotions are real. We're all faced with many challenging situations that can cause intense emotions, yet we need to learn healthy ways to deal with them so that we control them, rather than them controlling us. Our bodies are created in a way that when intense emotions well up, adrenaline is released into our system, preparing our body to take action. This happens so quickly that we often react negatively without thinking, either physically or by our words. Jocelyn was having a lousy day. She woke up late, had no time for breakfast, and her mom kept yelling at her until she got out the door. As she walked towards her locker, someone accidentally knocked her books out of her arms. Her anger erupted. The venom that came out of her mouth was degrading. It left her offender shaken. "I didn't mean to," he had tried to say, but Jocelyn was in no position to listen. Now, let's replay the scene. How could Jocelyn use the strategy of stop, becoming self-aware, think by listening to her conscience, and visualizing the consequences so that she can choose a better outcome? Jocelyn was having a lousy day. She woke up late, had no time for breakfast, and her mom kept yelling at her until she got out the door. As she walked towards her locker, someone accidentally knocked her books out of her arms. Her anger flared, but she stopped, took a deep breath, and thought through her day. Yes, it had been a lousy start, but flipping out would simply be a reaction to how she was already feeling, and it would only add more hurt. "I didn't mean to," her offender tried to say. Jocelyn was quick to respond with a weak smile and said, "Don't worry about it." What is a circumstance you have faced that made you angry or felt unfair? Did you respond or react negatively? Reacting is often our default, but today is a good day to practice responding instead of reacting using the stop, think, choose approach. Being rooted in self-control protects the dignity of ourselves and others. It's making a choice to live from our gifts and abilities, being a hero to ourselves and others around us. So, on the count of 3, let's declare it together. 1, 2, 3. I have gifts and abilities and a desire to succeed.